Hi, I'm Bryan with Capital Robotics, Senior Application Sales and Support and Application Engineer. Beside me as well is Ellis, Senior Application and Application Support as well. Today we're going to be showing you how to load and retrieve programs from the Weld power source and onto the PC. With all the Weld machines, we have the ability to load and save different programs, all the way from your DC machines all the way up to the Premier P500L machine. In order to do that, once you have your machine set up, you simply hit save. You'll see the numbers over on the right hand side. With the one knob control, you can adjust, and on some of the machines you have up to 100 programs you can save. So let's say for this example I want to choose program 10. If you have 3 dashes, that means the program is available. Hit enter twice. Now I've saved all my parameters on this machine. I can do a test weld.
Hey Brian, that weld looked great. Let's try this parameter to see if we can dial it in better. I'm going to go ahead and save it, so if it works well, we can recall it. All right, try that.
That did look good, Jesse. However, I do want to go back to my original parameters. So if I forget how to get there, or if I forget exactly what details it was, I can simply hit load. Again, jog to my program, which was 10. Hit enter twice, and it brings everything back. DC wave, MIG, soft aluminum, 3/64 wire, my amps, my volts, and my wave frequency is all consistent. One feature further, if you want to actually download that to USB, if you had a bank of machines and you had one machine set up for R&D, simply take any standard USB, plug it in. You'll then go to load, scroll down to USB, all, hit load again, enter, and now it's downloading all my data for this machine onto the USB stick. The mark is moving, that means it's downloading. Once it's complete, you'll see an end. You can remove it, hit enter. Now you can download this onto your PC in the shop.
Okay, Brian, now that we dialed in our weld parameters and saved them, let's go ahead and store these on our computer for future use. Once I get my laptop set up, I'm going to use OTC's smart editing software to modify and save my weld parameters to my computer. Once the software is open, I'll click open, and I'll select my USB device. In this case, it's my Swiss memory. Click on the Daihen Welby, the DAT files, and I select the welding parameters. From here, it'll call up all the programs that we've saved. Here we've saved number 10 and number 11. If I choose to, I can make adjustments right here on the fly. I can add crater fill. I can make adjustments to the weld parameters, both amperage and voltage. From here, I can save this, overwrite the current one, and I can go ahead and reload this to my Welbies.